Geology, soil, air, water, minerals, and all living things are natural capital. From these resources, humans have a wide range of ecosystem services which make human life possible. These ecosystems are split into the obvious ones which we can see, such as the food we eat, water we drink, the minerals we use for fuel, building materials and medicines. The less visible ones are the natural flood defences provided by forests, the billions of tonnes of carbon stored by the forests, or the pollination of crops by insects. The continuous supply of services available from these natural capital assets are dependent on a healthy, functioning environment. The structure and diversity of habitats and ecosystems are an important component of natural capital. Energy is used for lots of things. We use energy when we need electricity, heat and water. Fossil fuels are often used to create electricity. Using too much energy is bad for our environment because the burning of fossil fuels puts a huge amount of CO2 in the atmosphere, which leads to global warming. It is known that 2/3 of greenhouse gas emissions are linked to burning fossil fuels for energy, making it the largest emitter of greenhouse gases. There are many ways of producing renewable energy, such as solar power, wind power, and biomass plants. It is vital that businesses and individuals do their best to try and save energy. It saves money so that it can be spent on more important things and also creates an excellent reputation to any business that wants to sustain natural capital. Businesses should invest in natural capital to help contribute to the provision of infrastructure, as well as providing wider social and environmental benefits. Businesses can provide over 1/3 of the climate mitigation needed by 2030 to remain within the 2-degree warming target and in a cost-effective way. By using natural capital solutions, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions, this will in turn have a massive advantage for business owners. An example of how a business can invest into natural capital could be through the use of biomass. Biomass utilises a whole product to create energy with no waste left over. A great example can be trees. They are planted, broken down into wood pellets and then used for burning to create energy, which can be used for fuel or gas to power up something new. As shown in this chart, although the initial cost of a biomass boiler is more expensive, ultimately the cost will be cheaper overall due to government financial funding. Although the initial setup cost of a biomass boiler is significantly higher than an oil or gas boiler, the running costs are up to 1/6 less, which will have major cost benefits for business owners long term. The biomass cycle is an excellent example for how a business can invest back into natural capital. Overall, using renewable energy is a brilliant way for businesses to neutralise their impact on the environment. In turn, this will have a positive effect on a business's image by showing their contribution in sustaining natural capital.